So what's the plan?
The plan is check out the Arlington bikes.
Arlington.
I think that's what they're called. They're electric bikes.
Right.
I think they're made by Kiwis.
Have you ever ridden an electric motorcycle before?
No, I haven't. Like the electric skateboard.
So me and my mate Zahn here are going to try out these new motorbikes called Arlingtons. We think they're made in New Zealand, but I don't know, they're electric bike, and yeah, we just thought we'd go along, check them out, maybe learn a little bit about them, take them for a test ride. They're pre-production, so they're not like available to buy yet, but I think they will be soon. So yeah, we're gonna head into the city where they're doing it, and see you guys in a minute.
Is this the only one?
No, there was earlier. There was 2 other ones previous to this. So there was, yeah, this is I guess the 3rd iteration.
Yeah, but it's very much a prototype. None in production for other people.
Oh no, there's 10 units, 10 units in production. Yeah,
oh, amazing.
On this one, there's like a couple of parts which are still prototype, but you probably won't notice unless I point them out. Yeah, but yeah, it's
and you make
pretty
them
much
in
there.
Hawke's Bay, so.
Yeah, we're making them in Hawke's Bay at a factory there, like the aluminium frame, alloy frame, and yeah.
So can you buy them now?
Not until we get the certification. So the number plates, that's what we're waiting for. But
can you say how much they're going to be?
Yeah. So the initial first 10 units are going to be 8,000.
Yeah.
That's like all in
registered.
on the road registered. Yeah, ready to go.
And range?
Range 80k range. 80k range. Top speed they have to be limited to 50. Yeah. Because it's a moped class. Reservation. Yep. And that price is probably like it's a bit lower than what will eventually. It will go up a bit. Yeah, so that's like for the first 10 people who want to like.
I think it's pretty reasonable. It's cheaper than like a Stormby or whatever.
Exactly. Yeah.
You'll adopt a discount.
That's what it is. Yeah. Because we're new. So.
And you came up with the frame design and everything.
Yeah. So that's my background. I'm more of a designer.
Yeah.
So then it's like coming up with the concept, the design, and then working with engineers and how to best make a product.
Yeah.
Well, there's a bit of influence from them, but
it looks like a supermoto, eh?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Like half supermoto, half cafe racer.
Even though this looks a little bit like a fuel tank.
That's exactly it. That's exactly why it looks like that, because it just needed to look slightly like a motorcycle.
Is that whole thing mostly battery?
Yeah. That's like the battery is down to that there. Got controller, electronics on the top. Yeah.
Wow.
So you're aiming it for like city commuting?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. There's already, as you mentioned before, there's some sort of more rural farm bike sort of, the Surons and stuff. So we're urban. Yeah.
Does it have like a key or?
Yeah. So it's got it's got a leather key, and then you just...
A leather key?
Yeah.
Do that again?
It's going to be better than this though, so I don't know if it
looks so cool.
That's sick.
Yeah.
So you just tap it on there?
Yeah, so just tap it on there.
That's a hardtail.
I don't know how sort of... Good job once, maybe twice.
Yeah.
I didn't notice it was a hardtail. I wonder how that affects.
Yeah, the tyres are pretty big, so but in terms of jumping it, I wouldn't recommend jumping it.
Sure. I live out at Hobsonville, the whole area is flat.
Yeah.
How long does it take to charge?
If it was completely flat, it would take 4 hours, 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah. Also comes with GPS tracking as well.
Oh, no way.
Comes with GPS tracking?
Yeah, we're going to throw that in because our second prototype got nicked. So.
Oh, really?
So after that, we started thinking about security,
So if they get nicked, more people contact you? No. So we'll set the customer up with everything, and you just like text, like you add your bike as a contact on your phone, and you text a certain thing, and then it will send you back the Google Maps. Sick.
Amazing. So you don't even need to build an app, just it's for emergencies.
Yeah, it's emergency. So it's just like, where is it? Find out where it is.
I love the seat.
Yeah.
And turn them into cafe races, which are all really small, really small bikes.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
But they start all of this
rear
brake.
Rear brake and front brake.
Yeah.
Yeah. How bright's, can you turn it on? How bright's the display? Is this the charge port, eh?
Yep. That's the charge port.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's heaps.
Ready to go now, so it's on mode 1.
Yeah.
Mode 1, it's got 3 modes.
Yeah.
Is that just a speed limiter?
So, yeah, mode 1 you'll get up to like 30k.
Yeah.
It limits the amps, obviously, so it's kind of like you can feel it's not as powerful as 2 and 3. 2's all you need, really. Like, it's got heaps of power, but if you really want to, you can go to 3. So yeah, it's actually like ready to go right now. So yeah, and then you just do your speed modes on there.
Oh, it's so buzzy. So I'm in mode 1 now, which is the slowest mode. That's mode 2. Oh, that's quick. So the thing I was wary about is that it's hardtail, which is an interesting choice. That obviously saves a fair bit of money and simplicity in making it. This is buzzy, I don't even know what to say really. So I've never been that interested in electric motorcycles because for me motorcycling is like, you know, a lot of it is the whole experience, it's the sound and the smell and the changing gears and everything. But I do have an electric car, and you know, I think electric vehicles have their place, and you know, this is like around commuting, which is ideal for this kind of bike. It's actually not too bad on that bump with the hardtail because it's got pretty reasonably sized tires. Oh, this is fun. So that's mode 3. Now I keep going to put my foot on the brake, and yeah, these are going to be road registered, which is gnarly. So it's limited to 50k an hour. So it's 50, 55. Dude, this is dope. It's quick, like it'd be quicker than a normal 50cc scooter for sure. Man, this is cool. The thing I like most about it is it's actually made in New Zealand. Like, they make the frame, you know, obviously the parts, like the motor and stuff is not, but you know, they designed it and built it here in the Hawke's Bay, which is rad. It's aimed at like urban commuting, you know, if you like riding around town, because it's going to be registered as a moped, so you're not going to be able to take it on the motorway or anything. So it's like, it's real easy to maneuver. Yeah, man, dope. So if you like lived in the city or close to the city, and you just wanted something to like get to work, or you know, just something to have a bit of fun on, go run down to the shops with your backpack, this would be perfect. And it's silent, so like you can do this kind of shit without really getting into trouble, you know. Pretty fun.
It looks it. I think it's my go.
It's pretty cool, eh? The hardtail's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
I thought it would be way worse.
Yeah. It's only if you want to take it off-road then.
This is one of those bikes which probably looks real like proportionate on short people, eh?
It actually doesn't look too bad.
No?
It actually looks alright.
No, it's much more upright than a lot of bikes. Like I could, yeah.
Because you're used to your cafe, probably.
Yeah, it's not like a sports bike where you have to be like that all the time, you know. Oh.
Oh, it's on the fastest one. What do you think?
It's funny, your body wants to treat it like a push bike, but
yeah.
then you realise you're doing 50 k's an hour.
I keep going to put my foot on the brake.
Yeah, me too. I kept going to put it on the right foot and then going to like do the clutch, and it's actually a brake.
What did you think of it though?
It was amazing.
Good fun.
It looks like the kind of thing you'd injure yourself on quite quickly because you'd treat it like it's a push bike.
That's pretty mean though, eh?
Yeah, this is a work of art. I love it. Did you partner up with the engineer, you said? Because you're the design side.
Yeah. So like metal form, they actually come at like Southern. Yeah, they've got a bunch of engineers there.
Yeah.
So we spot, you know.
So what do you think? Do you have final thoughts on it?
I reckon I need to get some for smoke, get them all laser cut. Smoke 1, smoke 2, smoke 3, smoke 4.
You like them as much
to
buy them?
Every event that we shoot, arrive in that, just leave it in the lobby.
Even, what about as a motorcyclist? Do you, like the electric thing doesn't bother you?
Oh no, I love that.
You love that?
Anyone who doesn't like that has got some problems with their egos, I think.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
It's like, Tesla is the fastest car, period.
Yeah.
Get over it.
I reckon it's a really good base for people to customize because it's using kind of quite generic sized forks, and you know, you could change the brakes quite easily. I reckon it'd be a great base for people to like customize them and make them their own. Like they would have a cult following.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like one of those bikes that would have a Facebook group.
Yeah.
Dedicated to it. That was cool. Cool little fun video for you guys. And it's quite dark now, look at that. Yeah, fun little video for you guys, so we'll see you in the next one.
See you.
Peace.